gosh, I miss it, something fearful. And this cheerful little earful is the well-known I love you. Stocks can go down, business slow down, but the milk and honey flow down with a cheerful little earful.
Okay, well, I don't know why it's labeled in PSTN operator on this board. One of my goals working with this year is to clean up some weirdness like this, saying something.
What, the PSTN? That's just for future reference, but right now we're still using that as a part of our incoming system.
And we'll wait.
Very nice.
Somebody else interesting goes in, and I'm on this, so
It's starting to turn cooler here.
you're on.
It's,
That's right. And the gentleman is on your board. Yep. Okay, and we have somebody here. I'm going to see what this is. Maybe we got somebody for you to talk to. Hold on.
and there are calls
Hello.
coming in for the C Net. For the call in this afternoon. Tayward here has a whole lot of cords up on his switchboard, on Tayward's switchboard.
We have someone for you to chat with. So we just had somebody new join us. Who's the new person who joined?
I think it's wonderful. I mean, I love it that we can actually still
where
do
are
this
you?
after all of these years.
Operator?
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's the connection I have with your
City. Okay.
with your
And
parents.
let's see, the person who was already on, did you say you were from New York City?
You still there?
Okay,
Okay.
New York and Oklahoma.
And I
Chat
think
away.
Tayward is still on the
Enjoy
phone,
your
right?
Conversation.
Yes.
Find a party line for you, possibly.
Right here.
Let's see, there's not one.
But, wait a minute.
But go through.
We can do...
I can do Rockland outbound and. Right, I can do it.
Yes, you can do it
I
that
can do
way.
that way.
Yeah.
And then we can do.
Other cord.
Yeah. This way. And. Okay, so we've got you over here.
Nice.
And I'm going to put you into this conference right here. Okay. We got people here for you. Hello.
I just took over from Chris.
Okay. Yep.
Hello?
Okay, bye-bye.
I think the other party must have hung up. Hello? Whitman 519? One moment.
Operator.
Operator? Hello? Hello? Number, please. Hello? Hello? Hello there. Hi. Do you want to speak to another person? I'm going to ring another phone that's near you. If the other person picks up the phone that's ringing, you'll be able to talk to each other. Hold on just a minute. Okay? Just stay there. Okay, now you can both talk to each other. Just say hi.